Hi friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we have to discuss about NPTEL problem solving through programming in C week 6 programming assignment. The due date for this week 6 programming assignment is 8/9/2022. That is, tomorrow is the due date for submitting week 6 programming assignment. Now, program 1. Write a C program to find the largest element of the integer array. Here, the number of elements in the array n and the elements of the array is read from the test data. Use the printf statement given below to print the largest element. So, in the main function, variable I, n and largest can be declared as integer variables. We have to declare an integer array with the array name is ARR and the size is 100. The required array size can be read from the keyboard by using scanf function. Whatever the required array size is there, that array size is stored in the variable n. Okay. Now we are entering the array elements from the keyboard by using for loop and scanf function. Once we are entering the elements from the keyboard, now we have to find out the largest element from the given array elements. For that one, I am writing the logic. First, largest is equal to ARR of 0. That means whatever the first element that are read from the keyboard, that element can be treated as ARR of 0. That element can be assigned to the largest variable. Next one, for I is equal to 0 semicolon I less than n semicolon I plus plus. Brace begin. If ARR of I greater than largest, then largest is equal to ARR of I. Next, if close and for loop close. After that, we have to write, so printf largest element is equal to %d double quotes and comma largest. Return 0 semicolon brace close. Save as a draft, compile and run. Now see this one. Input values are test case 1. The input values array size is 5 and 5 elements are 10, 50, 40, 30, 20. Expected output largest element is equal to 50. Actual output largest element is equal to 50. Status is passed. Okay. So this is the logic we have to use to find out the largest element. Then we have to submit. So test case 1 passed, test case 2 is also passed. So now we can go for the second program. The second program is write a C program to print the array elements in reverse order, not reverse sorted order, just the last element will become the first element, second last element will become the second element, and so on. Here the size of the array is n and the array element is accepted from the test data. The last part, that is printing the array, is also written. You have to complete the program so that it prints in reverse order. Okay, now we have to write the program. So here I am taking two variables, int j comma temp. Next one, zeroth element can be assigned to the variable I. So next one, j is equal to I minus 1, that is the last element of the array can be assigned to the variable j, first element of the array can be assigned to the variable I. So that means index 0 can be assigned to the variable I, index I minus 1 can be assigned to the variable j. Okay, next one, while I less than j, then temp is equal to arr of I, arr of I is equal to arr of j, next arr of j is equal to temp. Next one, I plus plus j minus minus, then close the while loop. So this is the simple logic for printing the array elements in a reverse order by swapping the first element and last element, second element and last but one element. So save as draft, compile and run. See this one. I am in the test case 1, I am giving the input, array size is 5 and the array elements are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Expected output is 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Actual output is 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Status is passed. In the test case 2, array size is 4 and the array elements are 45, 65, 35, 25. Expected output is 25, 35, 65, 45. Actual output is 25, 35, 65, 45. Both expected output and actual output both are equal, then the status is passed. Okay, so this is the second program. Now we can go for, then we have to submit it. So test case 1 is passed, test case 2 is passed. Then we can go for week 3. Week 6 program 3. Okay. So this is program 3, a logic. Now we have to compile this program. First save this program. Next we have to compile this program. So see this one, compilation passed, public test cases 2 by 2 passed. In the test case 1, input first array size is 3 and the 3 array elements are 10, 20, 30. Second array size is 4. The 4 elements are 40, 50, 60, 70. So expected output is, so first array elements are combined with the second array elements, then we are getting 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. Actual output is also 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. Both actual output and expected output both are equal, then the status is passed. In the test case 2, First array size is 4. The array elements are 9, 7, 6, 5. The second array size is 2. The two array elements are 30 and 50. Now, after merging that two arrays, the new array getting that new array contains the elements 9, 7, 6, 5, 30, 50. Actual output is also 9, 7, 6, 5, 30, 50. Both actual output and expected output both are equal. Then status is passed. So then we have to submit the solution. Okay. So now test case 1 is passed. Test case 2 is also passed. Next one. Go for week 4. Week 6 program 4. So write a C program to delete duplicate elements from an array of integers. Okay. So here array size is available array size is 50. I and size variables can be declared as integer and array also can be declared as integer. First, whatever the required size is, that required size can be read from the keyboard by using scanf function. Next, we are entering the array elements from the keyboard by using for loop and scanf function. Next, whatever the array elements that we are entered, from that array elements we have to remove the duplicate elements. So for removing the duplicate elements we have to use this logic. After removing the duplicate elements, then we are printing the array elements. Now save as draft. Click on compile and run button. So see this one. Compilation passed. Public test cases 2 by 2 passed. Test case 1 input. Array size is 5 and the 5 array elements are 50, 60, 30, 20, 30. Expected output is 50, 60, 30, 20. Here 30 is occurred 2 times. Then we can say that it is a duplicate element. So duplicate element can be printed only once. So therefore output is 50, 60, 30, 20. 30 is printed only once. Actual output 50, 60, 30, 20. Both actual output and expected output both are equal. Then the status is passed. Next, here the array size is 6 in test case 2. The 6 array elements are 40, 20, 50, 30, 20, 10. In this one, what are the duplicate elements? 20. So therefore 20 can be printed only once. So 40, 20, 50, 30, 10. Here also actual output 40, 20, 50, 30, 10. Both actual output and expected output both are equal. Then the status is passed. So now we have to submit the solution. So see this one. Test case 1 is passed and test case 2 is also passed. So these are the 4 programs in week 6 programming assignment. I hope all of you understanding this video. Thank you. Thank you one and all for watching this video. The programs can be written in comment box. Okay. So for copying, please see the comment box for coding of 4 programs. Thank you. Thank you one and all. Please subscribe my YouTube channel Divyala Srinivasa Rao. Please forward this channel to your friends and classmates. For future upcoming assignments, please subscribe my YouTube channel Divyala Srinivasa Rao. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. If you have any doubts, please put your doubts in the comment section. I will try to clarify your doubt. Thank you. Thank you one and all for watching this video.